Hey people, Gary here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets usually get multiple accounts, 3, 5, sometimes even 10. But we're using just one, so because people who just join don't believe in the product right away, and you just join it, I don't want to stress you with getting multiple accounts or anything like that. I want to just show you minimal effort. You can really get the ball rolling and start making money first, and then you can decide to get multiple accounts if you want to. So anyway, guys, all the links in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business, particularly because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. Now, every product in Home Business Academy, that's where the $25 business market come from, is 80% income. But this is 80% recurring income. Alright, guys? So, you get paid every month when you get people into the system. And the $25, so for example, the $25 all-in-one digital business, right? When you guys buy from me, for example, you click on my affiliate link and buy from me, I will get $20 of that. Now there's a premium as well that you sell with this, and which teaches people how to market the $25 business or any other, like just show you how to do ads and updates and show you how to, like that. It updates the ads and stuff like that. It also has a content machine where you type in something like that you want and it'll show it for you. It'll give it to you. Like you want an email, I'll give you an email. You want a post, I give you a post. You want an article, I give you an article. So on and so forth, like that, right? And you can use that as well. And that's gonna be the $125 a month product. All right, guys. And I will get $100 of that. So that's how that works. And you could really build up a real good income doing this, guys. And I'm showing you the easiest way to promote this product, period. It's nothing even close to this. All right, guys. So let's get started. Let's look at our results first. Now, don't believe results unless they refresh the page to show you the results. That's what I always recommend. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. All right, it looks like we did get a sale yesterday, guys.
Nice.
That's great. Now I still got this humongous sale here, which is really I'm really happy about. But I did get a sale yesterday, so the train ain't stopped at all. All right, guys. It just took a little minute to get another sale, which is fine. It took about 3 days here. 4 days. Took 4 days. But we're gonna keep it moving, guys. There's nothing wrong with that. So what you want to do, guys, if you want to follow along, right, there's a link in the description that says the $25 business. You click on that, guys. Once you click on that, it should take you to this page. This particular page talks about the $25 business, how you can make money with it, so on and so forth, all kinds of stuff. Watch the videos as well if you wish to. And when you decided, hey, I want to try this out, want to give this a shot, right, click on one of these that say I want all access just for $25, blah blah blah, right? So once you click on that, it's gonna take you to a video. It's gonna explain exactly what you're purchasing. It's only about a minute long, but it's just telling you everything. And then once that video is done, you can purchase the product. All right, guys. And you can decide if you want to try the 2 weeks free of premium. If you want to do that as well. So anyway, once you purchase the product, it'll take you to a page that looks something like this, right? It'll look something like this. And at the top of the page here, you pick what you want here. All right, guys. So let's say you want to go to the affiliate zone. All right, guys. We go to the affiliate zone. Oh, I gotta log in. Hold up. Okay. We log into the affiliate zone, and right here, sign up for the affiliate program here. You sign up for the affiliate program, set up your affiliate links and all that good stuff. Just sign in for all the things you need to sign in. Then once you do that, you log into your sound card, and that should take you to this page here where we started at. Now you're not gonna have money in here yet, but you will have your links. You grab your links, and this is the link you want to use, the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. This is the link that you want to use, guys. This is the link I've been using to get my sales. So click on this link here. All right, so once you do that, guys, it's once you do that, it's okay. You come to this page here, and I'm sorry about stuttering right there, my bad. But once you do that, get your link, you come to here, you click on the link below. It says My Lead Gen Secrets or MLGS or something like that. It's the second one, the second step. Click on that. Do everything you need to do to make your account. Very easy. It'll take you to a page. You can click on it and start making your account. It's a very simple process. Very simple process. Do not purchase master email swipes. You do not need master email swipes. I want to clarify that. They have some email swipes that you can purchase from them. They'll give them to you for, I think it was like $20 or $30, something like that. Don't purchase them. You don't need them. Okay, guys? Because you can get your emails for free. Plus, I'm going to show you my emails that I use as well. So you're going to have plenty of emails. So anyway, you select all like this, right? Select all your links, leads. And then you just click on I'm just gonna upload an email that I already got in here. Making money in my first week here. Gonna load that one up. It seems to work real well for me. And you can copy this email if you wish to. It's one of my favorite emails. This is one of my most profitable emails. I got the most sales out of this email here in particular. For any product really, but yeah, for this product as well. So we just talk about, just pause the video to copy the email if you wish to copy it. All right, guys. So I slowly go down, give you points and times to copy. Just copy it and put it in. All right, guys. That's all it takes. And you can put sincerely if you want to. You don't have to though. And that's all there really is to it, guys. It's just that simple, all right, guys? All right. Okay, I haven't been pinning my I'm just looking for one where I have my signature already in it, so I don't have to type it out. Oh, I just stopped doing it. Okay, I stopped doing it for a reason, so I'm gonna just leave it alone. So yeah, that's my email there, guys. Now, if you're interested in getting the email yourself from the system and you purchase the HBA Premium, guys, all you gotta do is come to here, click on HBA Premium here, you click on Emerging Magic Content Machine right here, and you type in the right and email convincing people to buy business, something like that, like write a exaggerated clickbait. They tend to work better than normal emails when it comes to this type of stuff. But yeah, you type something like that in. You can change it to something else if you wish to, but like add more adjectives, like you want it to be short, you want it to be long, you want it to be. I recommend short emails. They tend to work a little bit better, in my opinion. I tend to get more sales on short emails. So yeah. So okay, unlock the secrets of business success. Blah blah blah. Right here, yeah, best offer, take advantage of opportunity. So it's a very solid email. You see that real quick, like you don't have to write them. So yeah, you can just do that and send an email. Make sure you perfect timing. Make sure you preview and make sure your link works here, guys. I'm gonna check here, make sure that it's the right link. It is indeed the right link. So, all right, so that's all there is to it, guys. Now, it's a very simple process. Showed you the whole thing, very quick. Get to links in the description below if you want to follow along. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.